So hi students, welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to see 8th standard unit 1 prose, the nose 12, which was written by C. Rajagopalachari, formerly called as Rajaji. So it's a short story, it's a Tamil short story. See the first paragraph. Ramaya was a simple man living in the town. He lived with his wife in a nice house made of tile roofs. He was not rich, but he could take care of his family. So here in this paragraph, we are talking about Ramaya. So he was a simple man living in the town with his wife in a nice house made of tile roofs. So tile roofs. So tile roof na enadana red color la the cement sheet oru vidu mari paathirupinga. So that is called what? Tile roofs. He was not rich, but he could take care of his family. Two sparrows built a nest in a nice spot in the roof of Ramaya's house, and the mother bird laid her eggs in it. So in that house, the two sparrows were there. The two sparrows built the nest in that Ramaya's house, and the mother bird laid her eggs in it. My dear, began the male sparrow. And what do you want now? Asked his wife. So that two sparrows were talking, and that male sparrow began to talk. My dear, what do you want now? Asked his wife, that is female sparrow. Why does the lady of this house always quarrel with her husband? How am I to know? Said the female bird. So what the male sparrow is asking, why the lady of this house is always quarrel with the husband. So ஏன் இங்கே இருக்க இந்த ராமையா ஒய்ஃப் வந்து எப்பவுமே வந்து ராமையா கூட ஃபைட் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்காங்க சொல்லிட்டா. That male sparrow is asking for that. The female sparrow is telling, how am I to know? Let us mind our own business. So let us mind our own business na enadhu. So you should not interfere in others' matter. So let us do our own business. You are always self-centered, said the male sparrow, and added, should we not help this poor Ramaya? So you are always self-centered. So self-centered na enadhu inga egoistic. ஸோ ஈகோயிஸ்டிக்னு என்னதுன்னா தன்னை பற்றி மட்டும் யோசிக்கிறது, தான் மட்டும் நல்லா இருக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறதா என்னது செல்ஃப் சென்டர்ட். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி தான் நீ இருக்க. யூ ஆர் நாட் கன்சர்ன் அபவுட் அதர்ஸ். ஸோ ஒய் ஆர் யூ ஆர் ஆல்வேஸ் செல்ஃப் சென்டர்ட், said the male sparrow, and added, should we not help this poor Ramaya? So we should help the poor Ramaya, the owner of this house. So we should help this poor man. The female sparrow said with disdain, let me see what help you can do for him. ஸோ ரொம்ப வந்து ஒரு எரிச்சலோட ஒரு இதுவோட ஒரு எந்த ஒரு பிடிவாதமும் இல்லாமல் எந்த ஒரு இதுவும் இல்லாமல் தட் ஃபீமேல் ஸ்பேரோ இஸ் டெல்லிங், லெட் மீ சி, நீ என்னதான் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறேன்னு நான் பார்க்குறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு ஏளனமாக பார்க்குறது. லெட் மீ சி வாட் ஹெல்ப் யூ கேன் டூ ஃபார் ஹிம். ப்ளீஸ் டு நாட் டாக் அபவுட் வாட் டஸ் நாட் கன்சர்ன் அஸ். See that the cat does not come near our nest. That would be enough for you and me. So please don't talk about what does not concern us. So concern us என்னதுன்னா நமக்கு தேவையில்லாத விஷயத்தை பற்றி நம்ம வந்து பேச வேண்டாம். We should not talk about others matter. So we should think about ourselves only. So see that the cat does not come near our nest. So that is enough for you and me. So somewhere in the muck heap lay a diamond nose jewel. The male bird picked it up and come to the nest with the shining stud in his beak, said to his wife, look, do you like this? So that male bird went in search of food. At the time, somewhere in the muck heap. So muck heap na enaduna kuppa medu. So ஒரு குப்பை மேடுல it found one nose jewel, diamond nose jewel. So lay a diamond nose jewel. The male bird picked it up and came to the nest with the shining stud in his beak. So that male bird picked it up and came to the nest. So with full of enjoyment. It showed that nose dwell to his wife, that is female sparrow, and asking, look, do you like this? So உனக்கு வந்து இது பிடிச்சிருக்கா சொல்லிட்டு that male sparrow is asking. The wife bird replied, what am I to do with this diamond noseheads or with earrings? Find some grub, the young ones are hungry. So I don't want this nosehead, so it's useless for me, so I don't like this. So you just go and search some food. So grub na enadhu food. So our young ones are hungry, so please go and search some grub, food for our young ones. So that is enough for me. I don't like this nose dwell. So see here, so this is the tile roofs. So see, this is you might have seen this, isn't it? So this is the tile roofs, and this is the beak. So beak na enaduna adoda alagu, adha enadhu beak. The bird dropped the diamond stud on the floor and went out in search of little worms for the young ones. So at the time itself it dropped the nose stud and went out in search of little worms for the young ones. Ramaya's wife noticed the jewel as she was sweeping the floor. So and it was noticed by Ramaya's wife. So when she while she was sweeping the floor, so and Ramaya's wife வந்து அந்த ஃப்ளோரை வந்து க்ளீன் பண்ணும்போது she found that nose jewel, and she was very much happy to see that nose jewel. She happily wore that. Ramaya questioned her angrily, how did you get this diamond stud? So Ramaya noticed that nose jewel, and he angrily asked his wife, how did you get this diamond stud? I found it lying here yesterday and took it. That is all. We should go and hand over it to the village magistrate. If tomorrow the police should come and search our house, it will be disgrace to us. So what Ramaya is telling, you should not use this is not ours, so you should not use this, so please go and hand over this to village magistrate. So village magistrate na yarna, village panchayat தலைவர். So you just go and hand over it to village that is village magistrate. If tomorrow the police should come and search our house, it will be disgrace to us. So disgrace na edana நமக்கு தான் அசிங்கமாக போயிடும். சப்போஸ் நாளைக்கு போலீஸில் கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ணி போலீஸ் வந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்கன்னா அது நமக்கு தான் அசிங்கமாகிடும். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் கோ அண்ட் ஹேண்ட் ஓவர் திஸ் டு வில்லேஜ் மேஜிஸ்ட்ரேட். ஸோ ஹூ வாஸ் டெல்லிங் திஸ்? Ramaya. So Ramaya to his wife. In Meenakshi Ammal's house nearby, the talk went thus, I forgot and left it in the bathroom. So what happened? Nearby Ramaya's house, Meenakshi Ammal is there. She was staying there, and nearby house that they were talking like this, I forgot and left it in the bathroom. So actually that nose stud belongs to Meenakshi Ammal's family. Clear? So I forgot and left it in the bathroom. Kupai, the servant woman, must have swept it out. ஸோ பாத்ரூமில் நான் வந்து குளிக்கும்போது தெரியாமல் அங்கே வச்சுட்டு வந்துட்டேன். இட் மைட் பி ஸ்வெப்ட் இட் அவுட் பை குப்பாயி. ஸோ குப்பாயின்றது யாருன்னா மீனாட்சி அம்மாள் வீட்டு சர்வெண்ட். ஸோ அவங்க தான் என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க, பெருக்கி வெளியே போட்டிருப்பாங்கன்னு they were thinking like that. She is very careless and ignorant. The mother Meenakshi Ammal consoled her little girl saying, let us search and find it, don't tell father yet. He would go into a rage if he knew that you had lost the diamond nose stud. So what the mother is telling, you should not tell anything to the father. So if you tell everything, you would go into the rage. So rage nanadana கோவத்தின் உச்சத்துக்கே போயிடுவாரு. So you should not tell anything to your father. We will search and find it. So you should not tell anything to your father. So at that time Ramanathan, so the husband of Meenakshi Ammal. So Meenakshi Ammal's husband entering into that house. What is the secret you are whispering? So whispering என்னதுன்னா முணுமுணுக்கிறது, மனசுக்குள்ளேயே பேசிக்கிறது, அதான் என்னது whispering. So what is the secret you are whispering? asked Ramanathan. The loss of the jewel had to be admitted. So at that time they were admitted everything. So admitted என்னதுன்னா they accept, அவங்க வந்து ஒத்துக்கிட்டாங்க, தொலைஞ்சிச்சுன்றது அவங்க வந்து ஒத்துக்கிட்டாங்க. The loss of the jewel had to be admitted. Soon the whole village knew about it. The maid servant Kuppai was suspected by everyone to have stolen it. So soon that news spread all over that village, and the maid servant Kuppai was suspected by everyone. So everyone suspected that it must be stolen by the servant maid Kuppai. The police came and searched her hut but could find nothing. So they informed the police. The police came there and they searched her hut. Hut another kudusai veedu. So they are searching in that Kuppai house. So in that searching they did not find anything. Ramaya's heart was in a flutter. So flutter na enaduna அப்படி மனசு படபடபடன்னு அடிச்சுக்கிறது. ஏன்னா வந்து they only have that nose, that diamond nose stud, isn't it? So that only Ramaya's heart was in a flutter. Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. She soon developed a severe fever and was confined to her bed. So Ramaya's wife wanted to safeguard that nose jewel. So that she put the nose stud in a box. So and soon she developed a severe fever. So out of that fear, what happened? She caught a severe fever and was confined to her bed. No one thought of searching their house. The he-bird said. So he-bird refers to that male bird here. Look at the fun, my dear. The lady of this house is scared and is down with fear. So now that he sparrow is telling, look at the fun. So இங்க பாரு எவ்வளோ வந்து எவ்வளோ ஃபன்னாக இருக்குது பாரு. So this is the first time I am seeing that Ramaya's wife is scared. So she was very much scared. Nice fun indeed, said the she sparrow. The poor woman is in a panic. So the poor woman, so அந்த poor woman வந்து ரொம்பவே வந்து பயந்துட்டாங்க. ஸோ அதனால தான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபீவர் வந்துருச்சு. The fever may be the end of her. And a good thing too, said the cruel male sparrow. ஸோ இது அவங்களுக்கு தேவை தான். ஸோ and a good thing too, said the cruel male sparrow. It is all you are doing. You brought and threw it here and tempted her, said the female bird. The male bird answered gravely, did I tell her to steal the thing? This is bound to happen when humans are being greedy. So what that female bird is telling, it is all because of you. So you only brought that and threw it here and tempted her. It's all because of you. So for that the male bird is telling gravely. So gravely na enaduna romba vandu or alachiyama நானா அவளை எடுக்க சொன்னேன், நானா வந்து அவளை வந்து திருட சொன்னேன் சொல்லிட்டு that male bird is telling. This is bound to happen when humans are being greedy. So this is bound to happen. This is happen only for the humans. So human being only have that habit. ஸோ ஹியூமன் பீயிங்க்கு மட்டும்தான் அந்த க்ரீடின்ற அந்த ஒரு பழக்கம் இருக்குது. ஸோ இப்போ அனிமல்ஸு பேர்ட்ஸ்னால் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு வந்து அது வயிறு ரொம்பிச்சுனாவே they won't attack others or they won't see others belongings, but we are not like that. So we won't satisfied. ஸோ நமக்கு வந்து சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆக மாட்டோம். நம்மக்கிட்ட எவ்வளோ தான் சொத்து இருந்தாலும் எவ்வளோ தான் பணம் இருந்தாலும் நம்ம அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரத்தில் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆக மாட்டோம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த மெயின் திங் ஆஃப் த ஹியூமன் பீயிங். ஸோ ஹியூமன் பீயிங்கிட்ட இருக்க ஒரு பேட் ஹேபிட்னா என்னதுன்னா க்ரீடினஸ். ஸோ க்ரீடினஸ்னால் என்னதுன்னா பேராசை. மற்றவங்க பொருளுக்கு ஆசைப்படுறது, இல்லை மற்றவங்க பொருளை பார்த்து பேராசைப்படுறது. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் a very bad habit of human being. So you should not greedy for what belongs to others. நம்ம மற்றவங்க பொருளை பார்த்தோ இல்லை மற்றவங்ககிட்ட இருக்கிற விஷயத்தை பார்த்தோ நம்ம வந்து பொறாமப்படக்கூடாது. ஸோ அதுதான் வந்து இந்த லெசனோட மெயின் திங். ஸோ ரைட்லி said, we should never be greedy for what belongs to others. Come, let us go now and bring some worms for the young ones. And the two flew out. So the two sparrows went in search of food for the young ones. Ramaya and his wife spent the rest of life in fear of being caught. The diamond-nosed owl may still be with them, but the fear of getting caught was even more. So what is given here? Ramaya and his wife spent the rest of this life in fear of being caught. So that diamond nosed is with them. So அவங்க அந்த diamond stud அவங்ககிட்ட தான் இருக்கு. ஆனால் இப்போ அவங்களால அந்த நோஸ்டடை வந்து எந்த ஒரு ஃப்ரீடமாகவோ இல்லை வந்து அந்த விஷயம் அந்த நோஸ்டட் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு வந்து யூஸே இல்லாமல் மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு. அவங்களால அதை யூஸ் பண்ணவும் முடியாது, எடுக்கவும் முடியாது. பட் they want to live their rest of their life in fear, isn't it? So that only they are telling we should never be greedy for what belongs to others. The diamond-nosed owl may still be with them, but the fear of getting caught was even more. ஸோ அவங்ககிட்ட அந்த நோஸ்டல் இருந்தாலும் அதனால் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து எந்த ஒரு யூஸுமே கிடையாது. About the author, Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, 1878 to 1972, informally called Rajaji. So, who was the author of this lesson? So, Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. So, he was formally called as Rajaji. He was born on 1878 and lived till 1972. He was an Indian politician, independence activist, lawyer, writer, historian, and statesman. So Rajagopalachari was born in the village of Thorapalli in the Krishnagiri district. So where was he born? In the village of Thorapalli, which is in Krishnagiri district. Rajagopalachari was the last Governor General of India, as India soon became a republic in 1950. So he was the last Governor General of India. Furthermore, he was the first Indian-born Governor General, since before him the posts were held by British nationals. So he was the first Indian-born Governor General. He also served as a leader of Indian National Congress, Premier of the Madras Presidency, Governor of West Bengal, Minister for Home Affairs of the Indian Union, and Chief Minister of Madras State. So these are all the positions, states he had been lived. He was one of the first recipient of India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. So he was the first recipient who getting that Bharat Ratna. So he was the one of the first recipient of India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. So that's the end of this lesson. I hope this lesson is very useful for you. So go through this lesson, read line by line, so that only